What's going on, everyone? So I got the ECU today in this right here. This is the one that's having issues with the connection. This is the Hondata S300. So basically just going to open this up. I'm going to put you on the tripod, that way you can see all the unboxing and all that stuff. I need two hands. Alright, so this came from Jason Waters Tuning. This ECU, I don't know, a lot of you might have heard of Jason Waters, but I paid $200 for this, and it better be in good shape for that price. That's all I gotta say. Alright, we got a note here. It says S300 prepped, VTEC, PWM, and cap rebuild. So this should be a pretty good ECU. It'd be a P28 equivalent, so it would be better pretty much than a P28. It has the spot right here for the S300 chip. So I'm going to open it up on both of these, and then we will pull the S300 chip and carefully place it in here. But before I place it in here, I'm going to inspect everything, make sure everything looks good. I'm sure it will be good, but you know, better safe than sorry. Alright, so right there is the data logging 4-pin header, and then we've got this spot right here is where the chip will actually go. Everything looks pretty good. Has boost by gear, which I believe is right here, and everything looks pretty decent. The capacitors have been replaced. You can tell. We can undo the other side and see the solder joints. Oh wow. Those are some really nice solder joints. Holy cow. Yep, I couldn't have soldered that good. It's a good thing I had a professional do it. You can see all of these ones right here pretty much look like factory solder joints. Look really good. And then we've got other spots on here that you can tell that they've been soldered, but they definitely look like they're really nice solder joints. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the back on here, and then we will take the chip out of the other one and we'll place it in here. This here is the S300 chip. We'll carefully pull that out. As you can see right here, we've got the same pins right there that go into the board, and then we've got the data logging header right here, and then this is the one that just doesn't connect all the way. We had capacitors blow out. I replaced them and it's still not working properly. It kind of works when it wants to, kind of thing. So this one technically still does work, just not all the time. So now we're going to put it in the new one. Very carefully, making sure not to bend any of these. I'll place the chip on there. Fits in there nice and firm, so that's good. But that's pretty much it to putting the Hondata S300 chip into the ECU when it's already chipped. So you can actually buy these ECUs. You can buy them on eBay, you can buy them through Jason Waters. I don't exactly have a link or anything like that because I got it from a guy locally that deals with him. But yeah, so if you guys want to get one of these, definitely search online, maybe Google search Hondata S300 ECUs. They won't come with the chip in it, so you gotta be careful because it'll look like they do. You'll have to buy the chip separately. It's best to buy it from Hondata unless you can find it cheap on Marketplace. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna wait on putting the cover back on. We're gonna put it in the car plug it in. There's already a tune on here, or a base map I should say. So we'll see if it connects. We'll know by how the car runs if it whether it works or not. So I'll go ahead and plug it into the car and we'll see how it runs. We're gonna see exactly what happens when I turn the car on. Alright, so we've got the green light here and the green light there. That's good. When I hook in this blue cable right here, that's the data logging cable, the one that I plug into the computer to upload tunes. When I hook that in, this red light that's right next to the green one should be blinking, but overall it sounds like it's doing pretty good. So far it's doing pretty good. The air fuel ratio is 16s and 15s, but it's still not warmed up fully. It's running a little bit lean right now. Typically when you start it up, it'll run rich, so I still have to adjust quite a few settings, but now that I have a proper computer, I can go through and actually do that. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some merch and stuff like that, I have the Texas Honda channel air fresheners, I have hoodies, shirts, and stickers. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely let me know. Message me on Instagram at instagram.com/TexasHondaChannel, or email me at texashondachannel@gmail.com. That'll help me put out more videos and more content for you guys. Yeah, now that we know that the ECU works, we'll go ahead and put the cover back on, put it all back in there. So I'm gonna go get the screw gun real quick and I'll put it all back in there how it's supposed to go. Alright, since it's kind of warmed up a little bit, you can see the air fuel ratios are 12.8. That's really rich for an idle. So we're gonna get those to about 14.7, 15.2. That'll be about perfect. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the ECU cover back on real quick. Alright, now that it's tucked out of the way, you can see if I open my glove box, the data logging cable's right there, so we can just pull it out, plug it into the laptop, and tune away. Alright, so we're going to use the laptop. We've got the data logging cable plugged into the laptop. I'm going to kind of show you how to do that. Casey will hold the camera real quick. Basically, we're going to go up to online. This is in Hondata S Manager. We'll go to download. So that'll download the base map that's on the ECU currently. Then we'll hit this little lightning bolt button right here. And you can see that's live where we're at right now. So if I rev it, these numbers will change, as you can see. So we're gonna click this part right here. Oh, not that. Show, oh man, I forget it's touchscreen. Show recorded data logging and Lambda. We're gonna hit Control A and Control L, clear everything out. Right now it's saying we're at 13 or 12.9, which is pretty accurate. You can see it's pretty close to 12.9 right there. It's pretty close. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight this entire 4 section right here, and we're gonna subtract some fuel with the subtract button. We'll just do like 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll hit this arrow, this upload. So we'll upload that. I will Control A, Control L. As you can see, we're at 13 now. So we're getting closer to the 14.7, 15.2 area. So we're gonna do that a couple more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just go 4 again. Well, now the air fuel ratios are pretty much within spec where they need to be. You can basically just fine tune like that. We're having a little issue here and there where it'll read different, but I don't think that's the sensor or the gauge. I think the fuel filter's clogged because it's pretty old, as you can see. So we're going to get a new fuel filter, and I'm probably going to buy a Walbro 255 pump or bigger. Still haven't decided on the size of pump yet, but you want everything in order before you start tuning, because if not, one little issue like that will throw the whole tune off. So we're going to get a new fuel filter, but that's basically it for this video. I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit here and there on the data logging and how to kind of adjust stuff. So I hope this video is helpful in that aspect, but we got the new S300. Everything's going pretty good on it. So we're going to go get a fuel filter real quick, but
yeah, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. We'll have more videos. I'll go live again if you guys are interested. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel a lot. But I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, God bless.